Squark makes the power of the latest AI technology as simple as a spreadsheet. Finally, AI is accessible to everyone. Pick your predictive challenge and solve it with Squark. Imagine, for example, you want to predict which of your Salesforce leads will convert. First, access Squark and upload your historical training data from your Salesforce leads table. Our intelligence quickly scans your Salesforce data and shows you a preview. You likely have data just like this sitting in spreadsheets on your desk. Squark determines what predictive analytics you want to do, from classification to regression. Either go with our suggestions or override them to define exactly what you want to model. Now upload the lead data for prediction and click Next. Squark, behind the scenes, applies many different algorithms, deep learners, decision trees, ensemble models, gradient boosters, and more, to build hundreds or thousands of models on your data to find the best one for prediction. Then we apply the best possible model to your data to make predictions. In moments, you have answers. Not only which Salesforce leads have the highest and lowest likelihood to close, but also why. Our predictions are cross-validated and tested too, so you can feel confident using them right away. In fact, the model we created is nearly perfect, in minutes. Insights that defy conventional analysis are now obvious. You change plans and decisions from reactionary to prescriptive. You move from managing with intuition to managing with prediction. The promise of artificial intelligence to change our world is real, but using it for predictive analytics has been a challenge until now. Squark changes everything. What makes Squark unique? No programming, no data scientists. Sophisticated, codeless machine learning now does the heavy lifting. You can get started today with no big installation project. Learn more about our free trial here. Squark, AI predictive power with spreadsheet ease.